Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Jimmy's Kitchen. Today I want to quickly show you how to make the sauce for all of your fries. In fact, this is the best French fries dipping sauce that you can ever have, so stick with me as I'll show you. Make sure you watch till the end of this video and click the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up if you found it very useful for you. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'll be doing is that I'll prep my fries. I don't want my sauce to be ready without fries to go with it, so just let me show you how I make my fries quickly. So I usually prefer to parboil my potato first for about 60%, because boiling it first starts the cooking process. So you don't get to have potatoes that are crunchy on the inside and hard on the outside. So you want it to be evenly cooked. So this is what I suggest you do. Now it is about 60% done. I'll just leave it to cool a bit while I prep my cornstarch that I'll be using. So coating it with this cornstarch will give you that crunchiness that you need. You don't want to skip this part. You should try this so you can say thank you later. Okay, so we are going to the frying process now, and we are almost done with this cooking, with these fries. So now we are off to making the dipping sauce that I'll be using for these fries. Hey, I'm so excited. So now I just added the mayonnaise, sweet chili, and of course ketchup. I'll be mixing these three together, and this will give us the best dipping sauce ever. So mix it thoroughly. If you have some lime or lemon, just put a little to take it to the next level. I do not have any of it at home, so I'm just using all that I have. So mayonnaise, sweet chili, and ketchup does the trick. Now I'm just tasting it. It's not like I will be adding any seasoning, but I just feel like tasting it, and then I'm having my fries with it. Don't you just feel excited trying this? If you'll be trying it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. To all of my returning subscribers, thank you. I love you all. To the new ones, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Bye.